Welcome to this Vue PDF Viewer component tutorial. The Vue PDF Viewer component is a lightweight modular viewer for displaying and printing PDF files in web applications. It provides core interactions such as zooming, scrolling, text search, text selection, and copying. In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Syncfusion Vue PDF Viewer component. You will learn how to create a Vue application, install the PDF Viewer package, and integrate the PDF Viewer component. Make sure you have installed the latest versions of Node.js and Vue. I will use Visual Studio Code to create the application, and Microsoft Edge to view the output. Now, let me show you how to create a Vue application in Visual Studio Code. I start by opening Visual Studio Code and creating a new Vue 3 project using Vite. I run the command npm create Vite at latest. Next, I enter the project name PDF Viewer. Select Vue as the framework, and choose JavaScript as the project variant. I select Yes to install the project dependencies. I then navigate to the project folder using the command cd PDF Viewer. Next, to add the Vue PDF Viewer component to the application, I install the Syncfusion Vue PDF Viewer package using the command npm install at Syncfusion /ej2 Vue PDF Viewer --save. The application is now ready to use the Syncfusion Vue PDF Viewer component. First, I open the main.js file and import the register license method from the ej2 base package. Next, I register the Syncfusion trial license key using the register license method. To find out where to generate the license key, please refer to the link in the description below. Next, I open the app view file and remove the default code from the script and template sections. In the script section, I import the PDF Viewer component from the package. This is the main component responsible for rendering and displaying PDF documents within the application. Along with the main component, I import several PDF Viewer services, including toolbar, magnification, navigation, link annotation, bookmark view, thumbnail view, print, text selection, text search, annotation, form designer, and form fields. Each of these services enables a specific feature in the PDF Viewer. After importing the required modules, I import the provide function from Vue. This function registers the PDF Viewer services available to the component. Next, I configure the provide method with the key PDF Viewer and pass all the required services in an array. This step activates the corresponding features in the PDF Viewer. Moving to the template section, I add the component, which renders the Syncfusion PDF Viewer on the page. I then assign the ID property to the PDF Viewer component. Next, I configure the resource URL property, which specifies the location of the Syncfusion PDF Viewer resources required for document rendering. I also set the document path property, which specifies the PDF file to be loaded when the application starts. In addition, I set the style property and specify the height of the PDF Viewer. Next, I define the style section and import the required Syncfusion CSS files using the Tailwind 3 theme. You can also use other themes such as Material, Bootstrap, Fluent, and more. Lastly, I run the application using the command npm run dev. As you can see, the PDF is displayed in the viewer along with the built-in toolbar. Next, let me show you some of the key features of the PDF Viewer. The PDF Viewer supports a wide range of annotations. When I click the Add or Edit Annotations button, the secondary toolbar opens and provides various annotation options. It supports text markup annotations such as highlight, underline, strike through, and squiggly, and shape annotations, including line, arrow, rectangle, circle, and polygon. For measurement and calibration purposes, it provides distance, perimeter, area, radius, and volume annotations, in addition to free text, stamp, signature, and ink annotations. Let me show you how to create one of these annotations. To add a shape annotation, click the Add Shapes option on the Annotation toolbar. This opens a menu that displays the supported shapes. From the available options, select the rectangle shape and draw it on the content where I want to add the annotation. See, The rectangular annotation is successfully added to the PDF document. Next, I will show you form filling in a PDF document. I open the form using the Open File option in the toolbar. The PDF Viewer supports filling and modifying form fields in the document. Next, let me show you how to create and design fillable PDF forms interactively using the toolbar. I click Add or Edit Form Fields, which opens the Form Designer toolbar. The PDF Viewer supports various form fields, including text box, password, checkbox, radio button, drop-down, list box, and signature fields. To add a text form field to the PDF, click the text box icon and place it in the area where the form field is needed. Similarly, you can add any of the available form fields from the toolbar. Here is the completed PDF with all the form fields added. Now, I will show you how to navigate pages using a different PDF document. Toolbar provides options to navigate through the document using the Show First Page, Show Previous Page, Show Next Page, and Show Last Page buttons. When I click the Show First Page button, the viewer navigates to the beginning of the document. The Show Next Page button navigates to the next page, the Show Previous Page button to the previous page, and the Show Last Page button to the final page of the document. The toolbar also includes a page number text box. When I enter a specific page number, the viewer navigates directly to the desired page. The PDF Viewer also supports bookmark navigation. When I click the Bookmarks button on the toolbar, a panel opens displaying the available bookmarks in the document. I select a bookmark, and it navigates to the corresponding location in the document. It also supports Table of Contents navigation. I click an item in the contents list, and it navigates directly to the associated section. In addition, the PDF Viewer provides page thumbnail navigation. When I click the Page Thumbnails button, a panel opens displaying thumbnail previews of the document pages. I select a thumbnail, and it navigates to the corresponding page. Now, let me show you how to perform text search in the PDF Viewer. I click the Find Text button on the toolbar, enter the text that I want to search for. As you can see, all matching occurrences are highlighted in the document. The search overlay displays the current occurrence number and the total number of matches found in the document. The search feature provides options to navigate between the search results using the next and previous buttons. It also includes Match Case option. When I enable the Match Case checkbox, the search results are limited to case-sensitive matches. The search feature also includes a Match Any Word option. When enabled, the search query is split into individual words, and the PDF Viewer searches for each word separately. It displays the count of each word in the overlay. Select a word from the overlay to highlight it. That's a wrap. I have shown how to get started with the Syncfusion Vue PDF Viewer component. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn how to obtain a free license key for our PDF Viewer SDK if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.